Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and the network state. Call your carrier from another line or use the carrier's app to check for unpaid bills, service suspensions, or outgoing call blocks. Once done, inspect the phone, remove and reseat the SIM, toggle airplane mode, and test making a call on a second handset to isolate device versus account issues. Make sure you note the account number, IMEI, and the date of any last payment before proceeding to settings or support. You now change settings and refresh provisioning. On your phone, open call or phone settings and look for call barring, call restrictions, or fixed dialing. Disable outgoing bars and enter any required PIN. Next, reset network settings or request a carrier profile update. This refreshes provisioning and often clears blocks. Restart the device after updates. If codes are needed, use the carrier's specific UST or MMI code. Otherwise, contact support to push a provisioning. You finish by verifying call functionality and escalating when necessary. Place test calls: a local landline, a mobile, and an international destination if applicable. Note any precise error messages or tones. If calls remain barred, ask for escalation. Request an account manager, a MACD ticket, or a SIM swap and insist they check provisioning logs. If possible, replicate the issue using another phone with your SIM to confirm whether the problem is on the network or the handset. That single test usually directs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.